Today, I want to talk about one of the biggest things you need to focus on in your business in 2021, and that is driving authenticity through your advertising and marketing, especially when it comes to video. And that's what I actually want to cover. I talked about this on an exclusive One Thing Summit with Joshua Boswell. It was a fantastic interview, and I'm going to play a clip right now where I dive into everything you need to focus on in 2021 and how to show up as authentic in your advertising and in your videos. So the biggest thing that I recommend in 2021 is really creating an authentic connection and relationship with your audience, with your market on video. People, really resonate when they see and they hear you talking about what it is that you solve, what it is you help people with. Now, that can be whether you're, coach, consultant, course creator, and you kind of are somebody who's helping people, or even if you have a product or a service or something that is more, that you sell, right? Connecting the story and the person behind it, and really having that authenticity in your advertising, in your social media, in all of your posts. And so for me, it's gonna, really be emphasizing everything that I'm doing with video. I'm actually gonna be building out more of my personal brand YouTube channel, which I've been, really building back up. So obviously, when you heard, Joshua talking about earlier, my app find channel, right, which is reviewing apps and all of that. That's kind of like that's more of like a brand. But I'm also going to be building out more of my personal, Aleric YouTube channel, where I, want to have that deeper, closer connection with all the people that follow me that I can help and I can impact. But the big thing that I have done up until this point too is I've actually established that connection with people on video using YouTube ads. And so, 2021 is really the year of YouTube ads. I know that it is. We've been really building up to this, crescendo of, YouTube advertising. And so one of the reasons, and I'm sure we're going to dive into it a lot more, one of the reasons that I believe so strongly in it, it's not because it basically obviously is getting so much better returns right now. Right now it's a blue ocean, so it's a great time to get in right now. That's why 2021 is the year. Versus Facebook's very much a red ocean. Everybody's competing. YouTube's a blue ocean, but it's not always going to be a blue ocean. I know that, right? That's why you got to get in now. But the thing that YouTube will always have is it is a video-based platform that has intent. So people are looking up on YouTube, they're trying to solve their problem, right? Whether it's how to grow my business, like what mindset should I have? Maybe they're trying to lose weight, right? Get fit, whatever it happens to be that they're looking up on YouTube, you can run a video in front of that. And it's not just, a simple image or, on Facebook, there are some authentic videos, but there's also a lot of just attention grabbing because you have to stop people's thumbs. And so it's this random, video or thing. And it's all these kind of tactics to get people to pay attention, but it's not actually providing that much value. What I love is having a value first, authentic video ad on YouTube. And that's what we teach all of our clients as well. Right. So, we do have some clients that have done some of the flashy stuff because obviously, you can run our targeting with that. But what I love to teach our clients is, get in front of people, hook them, capture their attention, let them know that you can solve their problem, then give them value on the ad. Actually create an authentic, connection and relationship on the ad so that they get to know you, they get to know your brand, they get to know what you're about. And also they have a couple of those aha moments or golden nuggets on the ad. Think about, what you're building when you actually provide value, not just deep into your funnel or just to clients. Obviously, people already know like value has been creeping, further and further closer to the beginning of your funnel more and more. I'm sure you've talked about this too. Right? Obviously, everybody knows you shouldn't only provide value to clients, right? And so they provide it on the webinar or on a call, a consultation, whatever it is. And then now more and more value is being provided on the landing pages, information about it. But really, you got to take that all the way back to the ads, to the first thing that somebody sees. Because if they see you and you're letting them know, hey, if you have this problem, here's a couple things to think about. And we've had, numerous examples of this, right? But if you can give somebody a reframe, whether it's on their business, their mindset, or, on health and fitness, you can give them, or anywhere in between, if you can give them those golden nuggets that show them, wait a second, I didn't think about it that way. And you have that authentic relationship, you actually are being seen as the expert on the ad, they are much more likely to then go and sign up for a webinar, a masterclass, a training, your email list, whatever that next step is. And then from there, they're much more likely to actually watch and show up, and then, get on a call or go to a purchase page and then, become a client. And so starting that authentic video-based relationship where you're talking to the person on the other, end of the screen, I think is the biggest thing that you can change in 2021. For me, since I've already done a lot of that, I'm actually implementing, more of the YouTube channel to actually have more consistency behind my interaction. But, the first step is just to start running these video-based ads, and just to, start somewhere with video advertising.